Hello guys, Steve here again with the Kyosho Javelin motor testing with the 550 14 turn Kyosho. This thing's driving me nuts. The first run we had the 20 tooth pinion gear in, the same as the stock silver can Tamiya 540, and we got like 19 point something, I forgot. Then I went back home, we put the 25 tooth pinion back in, and that got 22.2 or 5, but it ran ice cold. I ran it, you seen it in the grass, and when I shut the video down I kept running it till it went dead in the grass. It was ice cold, the motor. These 550 size motors are funny. You put like a stock gearing on it, like a pinion gear you think for a regular 540, and then it goes slower, but it freaking runs ice cold, and you could put a bigger pinion gear. That's why I always say with them Tamiya old models that run 2 pinion gear sides, a small and a big one, and then you can't put a fast motor in there because the RPMs are so high, it burns up a stock 540. You put a 550 in there and then it could run. It runs ice cold and runs fast. That's why I've been using them in all those types of cars. They're just good for power. They have a lot of torque. Anyhow guys, we're gonna go to the park. I dropped a 28 tooth pinion gear in there, so I'm charging up my battery over there. Same battery. We're gonna go to the park with the GPS meter. It's gonna rain today. I hope I can get out there before it rains, and we'll see how fast it goes with the 28 tooth pinion. What are you gonna do? Alrighty guys, I'm at the park. I came to a longer spot here because there was trucks parked where I did it the other time, so we're gonna turn this GPS on, let that hook up. We'll turn the radio on. Oops, wrong side. First it's on this side. We'll turn the ESC on, upside down there. GPS is on. We'll press the play button. Alright, it's searching. Let's see. Oh, sounds like it's linked up. Let's see. Turn the ESC on. Why ain't that working? Alright, let's see if we got some speed readings. I'm getting interference. Yep. Something weird's happening. Something interfering over here. The battery ain't connected right. Let me see. That's not good. Let me shut her on and off again. Alright, see if it's working. Let that connect. Something's not working here. We got the voodoo signal blocker here. Now it's working. Alright, here we go. This is a spot. 28 tooth pinion gear. And this is how it's gonna stay. I ain't gonna go much larger on the pinion. Feels pretty good. Let's see what we got, ladies and gentlemen. 24. You can see that. 24.9, almost 25 miles an hour. So that's good with the 28 tooth pinion gear with the Kyosho 14 turn 550. Now we're gonna go to the other spot and give it hell in the grass for a while and see how hot the motor gets. So I'll see you over there, but first let's take another rip up and down and see if we could beat that and get 25. Feels pretty good. Looks good. Let's see if we got 25. Nope. 24.9, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hit the grass and give it torture. Alright guys, we're in the other spot. We're going to run it here real quick and then we're going to hit the grass and give it torture and see how hot the motor gets. So far with the 28 tooth pinion gear, almost 25 miles an hour. It's really nice. I like it. Seems pretty damn quick for this now. It has a lot of punch. Woo. The ball field all wet. I don't want to run in that. Let's see. Oh, look at that skid mark. 550 power. That's amazing. That shreds now. Look at this. 3, 2, 1. But I want to run it in the grass. And it's flying now. I want to run it in the grass to see how hot it gets. Same as we did the other day. Oh, look at that. Man, I found a nice jump. I got a leaf caught in this beauty. It's nice. We're going to stay on the grass for a bit here and run it. Just like we did the last time. See how cool it stays or if it burns up. It's got nice power. Leaves caught in the front. Get that out of there. Just as I suspected. Wet and muddy. She looks like a beauty, don't she, guys? This will heat up an RC car real quick. Oops. So we'll see how hot the motor gets. What a mess the blower's coming out today for sure. It does wheelies. Look at that. This is, I've been using it. Let's see if it does it again. It actually does wheelies, guys, with the 28 tooth pinion gear. So if it has that much power, I'm thinking it could go higher. But I like the torque on the thing. We'll see how it goes. 28 tooth. If it runs cool, you could probably put a 30, but I'm just guessing right now. So it may be burning hot right now and I don't even know it.